Using a Jekyll theme with GitHub Pages is a straightforward way to create a static website, leveraging Jekyll's simplicity and GitHub's free hosting. Here's how you can use Jekyll with GitHub Pages. Create a GitHub repository. Create a new repository on GitHub with the name username.github.io, where username is your GitHub username. This will be the URL for your website. Set up Jekyll locally. To work with Jekyll locally, first install Ruby and Jekyll on your computer by following the installation instructions on the Jekyll website. Initialize a Jekyll site using the following command. Add the Jekyll theme. You can use any theme available on sites like Jekyll Themes. For example, to use the Minima theme, add it to your gem file. Update the _config.yml file to include the theme. Push to GitHub. Commit the changes and push the Jekyll site to your GitHub repository. Publish your site. GitHub Pages will automatically build and publish your site. After a few minutes, your site will be live at https:/username.github.io.